Namaskar. I recently completed 2 years of practicing the Shambhavi Mahamudra practice continuously. The Shambhavi Mahamudra is a powerful yogic practice in which you get initiated while you do the inner engineering total program. So in today's video, I will talk about how this practice influenced my life. What changes and transformations I saw in myself within these 2 years. In my previous videos where I talk about different programs and my experiences through that, I usually talk about what I felt in my physical body, my mental structure and my energies. But today, in these 2 years, whatever changes happened in my physical external world, the transformations which I went through within, how they transform my external world, this video is regarding that. So here comes my story. So starting with the first point, I was a total scientific and a logical person before 2 years. I was fully into logic, and if anything doesn't create a reasoning in my mind, I will not believe it. I was not a spiritual person, I was an atheist. I was very much interested into physics and astronomy, and these were subjects in which I wanted to do something. Now talking about today, I have understood that logic is a limitation. Your logic can take you to a point where you can know something, but you cannot know everything about life just through your logic. I still have great regards towards modern science, but I have understood that it also has a specific kind of limitation which comes to it. The modern science looks at everything through a perspective of the physical world. Modern science is trying to know about the whole universe just by looking at the 1% of the physical matter which exists in it. 99% of the universe is nothing. There is nothing in it. It is completely empty. We are not looking at that. We are just focusing on that 1% of physical matter which exists. I have gone through some very profound, deep experiences, and I can tell you that there is much more than the physical world which we see around. And we need to look in those directions to know the source of life and the universe and the cosmos. The second point. I was really interested into architecture and building construction. So I took my admission after 12th in architecture. My love for architecture also took me to Canada for my further studies, where I completed my PG in green architecture. While doing these programs, I had great dreams that I will open my own firm, architectural firm, and work in it. I will make it big, and I will be a very great architect one day. But today, in just 2 years, my dreams had turned from being exclusive to being inclusive. I have started thinking about what I can do about the whole world, not just about me. So I moved from what I wanted, what I needed, to what is really needed in the world. And when I looked around in the world, I saw that the environment depletion is the biggest concern for the entire planet today. So after realizing this, I decided that I will do something in the field of environment. So I kept the architecture at a side and started to do something in that direction. This was possible only because I experienced something much more than this, which opened my mind. It gave me a perception of the larger good, of what is needed in the world, not in my personal life. The third point is I went to Canada for my further studies. I was planning to stay there, and after doing this inner engineering and getting in touch with Sadhguru, I decided that I will come back to India and do something over here. It is fine if I don't earn dollars. It is really fine, but I want to do something for this land, this my own country. The fourth point, I was really good in photography and singing. I had dreams of becoming a professional photographer, traveling the whole world and getting pictures of each and every place. About singing, I was really a big fan of Indian classical music, and I used to follow that. Not only the Indian classical but also the Bollywood type of songs. I used to love that. But that completely changed since last 1 year. Hardly sometimes I listen to those music. I only listen to sounds of Isha. And about photography, there was probably 1 full year in the middle where I did not even touch my camera for even one time. The fifth point, as my interest grew towards learning about the environmental possibilities and environmental problems, at the same time my interest was politics, the world politics, and most importantly the Indian politics really increased. Before 2 years, I was not much interested into politics. I used to see some of the news and stuff, but not a full-fledged interest in it. Because all sorts of negativity or news with propaganda, I used to fear this. The fear was of suffering. I would really feel sad and so many days in depression. So I used to keep away from all of this. But after this inner engineering thing and this 2 years, today I am really interested into politics. Even if there is some sort of negativity which comes at my face, but I take it. Now it is quite easy. I will not say that it is completely gone, but it is really easy. This is a big difference which has happened. The sixth point, 2 to 3 years ago, I was really more focused on how my body shape was and how I used to look, how my clothes were, how my hair was, and etc. etc. But now I understand that being fit is much more important than having a biceps or a six-pack abs. The Hatha yoga practices which I do have really made my physical body and my mental structure really much more stable and fit, and my appearances started to bother me very less. You can see that. Now the point 7, it is really important one. I as a person was a really extrovert person. I always wanted people around me. If someday I happen to be alone, it would be really hard for me to just stay alone. I wanted some company. But today, it is completely opposite of this. I love when I am alone. I really want that. With people around, I have to pretend, I have to act, I have to do so much of things. Being alone is much more easy. I will not say that I became an introvert, because today also, when I meet my family or my friends, I'm an extrovert. I be the same way with them. But a large amount of stillness and calmness entered me, which allows me to be alone, peaceful and joyful. So for today, these are the 7 changes which I saw in myself. When I look back to the last 2 years, these are the changes that showcased itself in a very big way. They are visible to anybody, not just me. For me, these changes and these transformations are indicator for my own growth, because this shows me that I am going in a right way. Things are improving. So how to know that whether you are growing or not? For me, there are 2 indicators. One is, are you becoming much more inclusive? Your goals, your thoughts, your emotions, your actions, everything is happening to include anything as a part of yourself or not. This is one indicator. The second one is how much more control you have over your thoughts and your emotions. I'm not saying that I have a complete control over my emotions and thoughts, but even if I was 0 2 years back and now I'm 10%, I have a 10% growth, and that is good for me because I'm growing. Something is happening. So I will take this opportunity to request you that if you haven't done the inner engineering program yet, this is the right time to think about this. Things will change. Transformations will happen. You just need to take the practice and keep doing it. That's it. If due to the lockdown, the inner engineering total programs, the physical programs are not available yet, you can go through the inner engineering online. You will get initiated into the Shambhavi Mahamudra in the physical programs, not in the online programs. But still, the online program is powerful. If you have done the inner engineering program, please let me know about your experiences in the comments. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Namaskar.